attendance at short notice. आयचो मेन we are team Roshan Matthias of Kalamud constituency, and we also have executive members, core members of our party, which is Goincha Swabhiman party. We used to be Goincha Awas, we are now अनेकटो म्हटल्यार this is not only with regards to Soza Lobo, पूण आमी अनेक स्टेप फुडें सांगपाक सोदता की सोजा लोबो सोडून तुमकां उगडास आसतलो अबाउट 4 or 5 months बिफोर आमचे कानोयचे गांवांत पासून अहेत एक घडणी घडलेली, and that is with Krishna Naik family. Also similar kind of incident where property was brought by some business people, and then there was an attack on the local families. Bouncers were bought, swords were bought, आणि थिंगाय ohlet घडणी घडलेली. आता ही जावन आसा फळां, we call them fruits, but fruits of what and which are the different fruits we would like to tell. आमच्या गांवांत सद्याक not only guns, not only weapons, not only ohle dadagiri, but there are other fruit also which are growing. एक म्हटल्यार prostitution चालू हा, drugs चालू हा, gambling चालू हा, and ये fruit जाताना what is the cause of all these fruits? हे जे फ्रूट हे आमकां फळां दिता ते झाड हुंयचे, आनी हेच आमी आयज तुमकां आपयला सांगपाक. We as Goincha Swabhiman party relate and say that the ODP outline development plan of Kandoli Kalangut, which was made in the year 2017, is the root of all this evil that has entered into our constituency and into our villages. The evil that has come through this ODP is not only these kind of gang wars and law and order situation, but we have prostitution, drugs. In addition to that, we are suffering, the people of Kalangut and Kandoli are suffering without electricity every day. There is no water for us to drink. We are not able to drive our cars properly on the road or our vehicles. On daily basis there are accidents here. And these are what we can see. But besides what we can see, there is a lot of hidden rubbish that is also going on. And that I would also like to say about the rapes that are happening in our constituency on daily basis. And हे जे rape जाता हे आमची भुरगीं, आमचे वाड्यावयली, आमच्या गांवांतली, हेंका थ्रेटन करून रेप जाता एवरी डे. पूण हे सांगपाक तेंका लॉस दिसता. They don't want to complain about this, कित्याक तेंका थ्रेटन कोत्ता लोक, don't complain. But this is what one of the fruit of this tree it is. आनी हे हांव तुमचे मुखार कित्याक हाडटा, तुमकां उगडास आसतलो, हे ODP जाला in the year 2017. And why is 2017 important today? Because 2017 was the year of the last assembly election. आणि जेन्ना आमी local citizens, concerned citizens of Kandoli, Kalangut and all over Goa was shouting against the ODP, आमी तेन्ना सांगलेले हे सगळे जावपाचे हा म्हूण because of ODP. झगडी जावपाची हा, prostitution येतले, लाईट आसचे ना, हे आमी सांगून दवरलेले लोकांक. But people made a choice and brought that local MLA Michael Lobo, निवडून तेका काडलो लास्टाक, इतले सांगूनय. आनी आयज आमी हाय हुय कोत्तात, पूण फायदो कितें? तें म्हणणें आसा कोंकणीन, आयज म्हाका फाल्यां तुका. आयज सोजोलोबोक जाला ऑलरेडी, ताका 3 फावटी जाला. नायक फॅमिलीक जाल्ले आहा. आमचो टर्न केन्ना येतलो कोणाक सांगूंक जायना. लास्ट टायम कलंगूटच्या गांवांत कामत हॉटेला भायर थिंगा 2 जाणांक दवरलेले विथ गन्स. उगडास हा विथ गन्स. तेन्ना आमी हो मेमोरंडम काडलेलो, दिस मेमोरंडम. आनी ह्या मेमोरंडमान आमी सिरियस मॅटर म्हूण आमी पुलीस स्टेशनान दिल्ले, सगळे पुलीस स्टेशनान, अंजुना, म्हापसा आनी कलंगूटच्या पुलीस स्टेशनान. त्या भायर आमी DGPच्या ऑफिसान हे मेमोरंडम दिल्ले. त्या भायर CMाकूय दिल्लो, कित्याक ही इज द होम मिनिस्टर. आनी तितून आमचे मागणें आहले की यू इन्क्रीज द पुलीस फोर्स, बिकॉज सीजन इज कमिंग, झगडी जावपाचे आहा ते जातलेच, बट एटलीस्ट देर शूड बी द पुलीस टू कंट्रोल दीस म्हूण आमी लेटर दिल्ले, मेमोरंडम. पूण मेमोरंडम गोडेक तेंच्यांनी डस्टबिनान उडयल्लो आहा आनी तेका लागून आयज हे सगळे घडटा आमच्याच गांवांत आनी आमी रडटा हिंगा. सोजालोबोची घडणी जाल्या उपरांत आतां PI नोलास्कोक ट्रान्सफर केला. वॉट इज द यूज? रिस्क ऑफ बीइंग रेप्ड. Is our electricity going to come back? Is our water going to come back? This is a question that remains unanswered. The answer is in the upcoming elections in 2022. आमकां सगल्यांक आनी एक चान्स आसा. ह्या चान्सान तुवें वोट करूंक जाय, पूण चितून वोट मारूंक जाय. वी डोंट वॉन्ट द सेम सिट्युएशन टू कंटिन्यू इन कलंगूट. सद्याक परिस्थिती पावल्ली आहा that we have been suggested to even legalize our dance bars. Tomorrow they will say legalize prostitution. आमी हुंय म्हूण वयता हे सगळे घेवन. सो हो चान्स परत आमकां येतलो इन 22. तेन्ना आयज आमी सगल्यांक आमंत्रण करता, प्लीज चिंतात तुमी कसल्या लोकांक भितर हाडटा आनी तेजी परिस्थिती कितें जातले फॉर द नेक्स्ट 5 years हे चिंतपाची गरज आहा. हांव आनी एक सांगूंक सोदतां. सगळे म्हणटा मायकल लोबो, मायकल लोबो. हांवूय म्हणटा वय, ही इज द किंग ऑफ ऑल द डेवल्स इन दिस कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, बिकॉज ऑल द इवल हॅज कम बिकॉज ऑफ हिम. And that also because of his stubbornness and arrogance and greed. After telling him so much that this is going to be the situation, he did not listen to any one of us. On top of that, he's become one of the richest MLAs or ministers that we have in Goa with all this ill-gotten wealth. It is costing us on our day-to-day basis. But along with him, there were many others who supported this ODP. They were the ones responsible for planting the tree in these villages of ODP. Today those same people, out of personal revenge, are going and saying, I am going to save Kalangut. Ohe जावंक फावना, ohe जावंक दिवचो ना. तुका जेन्ना आमी सांगलेले ते झाड लायनाका ODPचे, तूं हुंय आसलो. आयज तुका कितें तोंड हा उलोवपाक की आय विल डू दीस, आय विल डू दॅट. जे फ्रुट्स तूं आयज पळयता ते झाड तुवेंनूच लायिल्ले. प्लीज रियलायज वॉट यू आर डुईंग. यू आर नॉट फुलींग युअर सेल्फ, यू आर नॉट फुलींग द पीपल, बट you are actually killing generations that are yet to be born in this beautiful constituency of Kalangut. Thank you. Any questions? Anyone wants to say something?
You were saying ODP is the cause. What exactly do you mean by that?
See, when you say ODP is the root cause of all evil of Kalangut, earlier it was a majority of our locals doing business, etc. We could control ourselves. When the police came, people were scared, people listened. With the ODP has come an influx of people whom we cannot control. Even the MLA, the CM becomes helpless when an order comes from Delhi. And I have seen this personally. Orders come from Delhi, even CM cannot do anything. You see the recent thing of Sunburn. How these things happen in our state. The ODP has brought in a lot of outside people in the constituency. They have built such tall buildings. They have come in with so many vehicles in our constituency. They have come in with people who are not registered anywhere. There is staff, there are guests who are coming there. Where is the accountability of all these people? Where is our electricity gone? This is all related because of the ODP. And the ODP was not even planned properly. When I increase load of people in a village, I have to see where my sewage will go. How will I provide extra electricity? तुम्ही जाण आसतले तेन्ना मायकल लोबोन प्रॉमिस केल्ले I will put a electricity substation in Kalangut near Hotel Palmarina, the residence. थिंगा तेका करूंक पावना म्हूण आतां रिसंटली तेणीन इकते घेतले प्रायव्हेट प्रॉपर्टी and he did the electricity substation in Kalangut. This is the kind of planning he is doing. In the meanwhile, we are struggling, and that is why I relate this entire thing to the ODP.
मतेच तुमचे गोयचो स्वाभिमान पार्टी आता इलेक्शनाक कितके कॅन्डिडेट तुम्ही घालतले?
सद्याक आमी दोन अनाउन्स केल्ले आहा. दॅट इज स्वप्नेश शेर्लेकर, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द पार्टी, कंटेस्टिंग फ्रॉम थिवी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, आणि हांव वायस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ गोंयचो स्वाभिमान पार्टी कंटेस्टिंग फ्रॉम कलंगूट. तेचे फुडें आनीक थोडे आमी अनाउन्समेंट करपाचे इन द कमिंग वीक ऑर द वीक आफ्टर दॅट.
Full Goa.
Pardon?
Full Goa.
No, we will not be doing full Goa because we are a new party and we will be contesting few seats, not all 40. आमचे कितें आसता, our party and our NGO, तुम्ही जाण आसतले, we are always for the people of Goa. We don't want to cheat them. Best someone I'm putting 40 and then trying to create an excitement and don't do those things is not what we are interested in. We have been known for our integrity, and that is why the word amka ye party now pasun miyala, it's a miracle, it's a blessing. We had applied as Goincho Awaz party, but the BJP government planted two fellows to put objection for us, and they objected to our name Goincho Awaz, and they asked for alternate name. Then amka wo naam Awaz ala, and Swabhiman is the Swabhiman that we keep for Goa. It's a very blessed name we have got as Goincho Swabhiman party. Self-respect.
Captain Beriato, who was the face of Goincho Awaz, has joined another political party.
Yes.
What are your comments on this?
See, it's a personal decision that Captain felt he needed to leave. And as I just said, Goincho Swabhiman party, and as hardcore training that we have got through Goincho Awaz, it has always been Goa and the people first. When we looked at the Dabolim constituency, our main focus is to throw again a man that is being creating havoc for the state of Goa. He has nationally shamed us at the GST meetings, etc. He has made a fool of himself and of us, and that is none other than Movin Gudino. So to beat him, Captain felt that a Congress ticket was better for him, so we let go. This is all done not because we were very happy with the decision, but for the sake of Goa, we had to take this decision. It's always Goa, Goa first. It may hurt us, it may damage us, that's not a problem. We can always rise up. But for the love of Goa, we are ready to do whatever it takes.
Anyone wanted to speak?
Yeah, what I would like to also put forward is that today and I've worked overseas a large part of my life, हांव तेन्ना धाकटो आसलो हांगा इतली opportunities नासली. Today there are opportunities. We've come back to Goa. We've been here for the last 8 years in Goa. Unfortunately, what I see when my wife and my daughter goes on the street, they get catcalls. Okay, this is not acceptable to me when I look at it. Now I'm sure there are many like me many Goan families like me who are facing the same thing. And it is so embarrassing. If my son goes on the road, there's somebody or the other who will come and basically show him some photographs and say, "Kuch chahiye to batao." And this is not just a supply of girls which has an impact, but it is drugs. At some point in time, we had the control on drugs. Now it has gone haywire. At one point in time in Goa also we had that menace where our local kids were impacted. Okay, there was basically child prostitution, but somehow we had managed to get by that, put controls. It seems with this ODP, all of that has been unleashed. Nobody today wants to basically keep their kids. I feel it's basically a challenging aspect where I'm not sure when my daughter goes out, will she return back with her dignity intact? If my wife goes out, will she return with her dignity intact? Yes, we live in India and all of us have traveled in public transport. All of us have gone through different issues, but this is going out of hand. And this is where when you look at it, the quality of tourism, at one point in time, Kandolem belt was known for a high-class quality tourist destination. I can tell you today, this has gone down to the pits. When you look at the tourists which are coming in, these are guys who are not looking to have a nice time and spend money. These are guys looking to come here and do all the wrong things. That is where when you put out a plan and call basically the whole of North Belt a party belt, and it is not something where you basically look at where dignity of woman, child, and all the other senior citizens are taken care of. It's difficult. I mean, you just walk around the streets, you will see people basically throwing bottles. Guardian PLA, partly wire manli. Kide khalle, wire manli. You see where the garbage it basically collects. The simple civic sense where our Prime Minister ran that campaign of Swachh Bharat has gone down the drain. It shows a hollow approach of BJP where all these are slogans and nothing else, and trying to manage events. Nothing else at the end of the day. You look at the development which is happening. They call it development, but you look at what cost is this development coming across. Haphazard. There's no planning. There's no execution. I mean, as Brother Roshan pointed out, sunburn happened. A chief minister of a state is saying that sunburn will not happen. Another minister says that sunburn will happen. Sunburn happens. How is that? And he's the home minister as well. So where is this all going? I mean, is this state become like literally a banana state? I'm not talking about India becoming a banana republic, but you just look at it. At the grassroots level, there is chaos. There is no administration. There is no accountability. The businessmen are running the show. Is that what is supposed to be? Then declare it. Declare that these are the 10 businessmen in Goa who will be running Goa. We'll be much better off that way. But it's not happening. Now today again when you look at it, there were supposed to be controls to be put around. We've not learned from the second wave lessons. What are we doing about the third wave which is already on our doorstep? What controls have you put on the borders? I can tell you the controls which they put on borders are fast. You pay the 200 rupees, you don't even have to worry about doing the actual test. You're given the certificate. You guys know it better because you guys have seen this around. So it's saddening. I mean, where are we going? What is the vision for Goa for the next 10, 15 years? Forget about this election. Where are we going to go in the next 15 years? What is Goa going to become? What are the opportunities for local people here? I mean, it is just killed. You can see the jobs which were put out. How many candidates on their merit have got those jobs? You'll find stories all over the stories hidden around people who have basically have worked hard to give that exam, but they've not got the seat. Somebody who's not even appeared for that exam has got the job, has got the letter.
What do you want to say about this Aam Aadmi Party and Trinamool Congress come to Goa?
Trinamool Congress or TMC, they are come for a picnic, political picnic. Okay, they found Goa very viable now. They are spending a lot of money on their holiday. they'll have a very good time and they will go back. The reason I'm saying this is, even I was met by the TMC people, and they had no answer when I said, what is your plan for Goa? They are only asking when you will join. They want to take the photo. Some people say they'll give money. Whether they are giving, I don't know. But for Prime Minister elections, even if they don't win one seat, they will be very happy. And this is my message to all those people who are joining this. They have said it before, but today it looks like I also have to swallow my own words. I used to defend Goans, saying that we are not gullible. We cannot be taken for a ride. But today, when I am seeing people who are just joining this without understanding, I have to swallow my words back. My only request, my plea is, please think about what you are doing. Today, TMC is promising amounts. Are they putting it from their own pocket? When they say they are going to be here for Goans, shouldn't we, who are also non-voters of TMC, should we also not decide what should happen about the money of Goa? How are they promising 5,000 per woman in a family? Whose money is it? Is Didi putting from her account? Does she have so much? The Aam Aadmi, less said the better. Their core value was anti-corruption. I don't know where that is gone. Today, I have members of the Aam Aadmi Party who were once fighting against social evils. Today, when they come to my house, they are saying we have become politicians. What we fought against social evils are actually good because a lot of people need them. This is the kind of mentality of the good people I knew in Aam Aadmi Party, and it's very sad. And when I asked both these parties, I said the day election gets over, when there is a situation or an issue in Goa, whether it may be at Mopa or whether it may be Mole or Made, where will these people be? Will Mamta Didi come and stand with us at Mole? After the election, I'm not talking about, even on day of election, she'll come and stand. After that day, I want to know where they will be. It is us people, concerned people of Goa, lovers of Goa, who will be standing there shedding their blood for Goa. And that is what people need to realize. Just understand, this politics is not a fun game. It is something that decides your future, your children's future, and the future of those who are yet to be born.
The Aam Aadmi Party is basically a regional party of Delhi. The Chief Minister of Delhi, everybody knows, can't guarantee the safety of women in Delhi. Women cannot move out in the evening after 7 o'clock. Everybody knows about it. He can't give that guarantee. And here in Goa, he has been giving guarantee, all type of guarantee. What guarantee he will give here for the safety of women? Everybody knows what has happened. Everybody knows where the Nirbhayas have taken place. And here, even the Soda Lobo, where the indigenous Goans were attacked, it has got its roots from Delhi. So the same culture, the Goon culture that is coming, are directly linked to these parties. And hopefully Goans realize that the earlier, the better.
Thank you.